My name is Steve Dirks. I'm the parts manager here at Dave Wright Nissan Subaru. Today I'm here to provide you with a brief introduction into the parts department. Our parts department is responsible for providing all of the parts that our service technicians need to repair your vehicle. We also work closely with our sales staff to provide any accessories you may want for your new and used vehicle purchases, or you may stop in for any of your do-it-yourself parts or accessories needs. To find the parts department, come to the front of the building and you'll see the signs for Nissan and Subaru parts. You can go in either door below the signs and they'll take you into the Nissan or the Subaru service drives. Once inside the service drive, just continue forward until you see the counter with the sign above it that says parts. Once inside, you can speak with any of our awesome, friendly parts staff and they will help you get your needs taken care of. We do our best to have all the parts we need on hand, and if we do, you can take them right away. If not, we can order your parts, and most parts are available within just a day or two. If you prefer, you can give us a call with any of your questions or for any of your needs. We can send you your parts or have them available when you stop in. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you.